Did you know vampire bats run the most sophisticated loan system in the animal kingdom? Here's what's wild. When a vampire bat can't find blood for 3 nights, they literally die. But here's the thing everyone misses. Their friends will actually throw up blood to save them. I'm not kidding. But wait, it gets crazier. These bats keep perfect mental records of every favor. Like, they remember for months who helped and who didn't. It's like they have tiny accountants living in their heads. And if you're a selfish bat, oh boy, you're in trouble. The whole colony will blacklist you. No more blood loans, no more friendship, nothing. You become a social outcast. Think about this. They're literally betting their lives on friendship. One bat will risk going hungry to save a buddy, knowing that buddy will return the favor someday. They build these incredible bonds that last for years, all based on trust and keeping score. It's basically the ultimate, you scratch my back, I'll scratch yours, except with life or death stakes.